Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and remove our cabin filter for this 2014 Honda Odyssey. This will work for the 2011 all the way to 2017. So looks like right here we got some little plastic pieces that hold. You just push to the left and you see it's kind of coming out already. But also on the other side we're going to drop this plastic piece here. So we basically just push inside also. So there's a plastic piece right there. You just basically push it to your right and then it comes down and it's held on by some little hinges there, but you just put it on there and just put it right back on there. So we'll remove this glove compartment. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So we drop the glove compartment. Here we have access to the cabin air filter. We just clip the little pieces on the left and the right. And then we pull it out. So this is the cabin filter. So I did buy this premium Bosch cabin air filter. Had pretty good reviews, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on there, put back the clips, and then put back that glove compartment. So that's how easy to do it, guys. Then we get the glove compartment. Put it right there. And then we just push those little plastic pieces in. You see? There, it's back on. There's your glove compartment. Pretty easy.